Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, splash guards, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.